Come in. Hey, so we got a call that you were being bad, eating too much food and stealing wood. That is not okay at all. This is also for jacking in TV box. So hands up. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. You are under arrest. You're going to jail because of what you did. Hands behind your back. You're going to jail. Yep. This is what you get for being bad. Watch comes off. Now I'm getting taken to jail because I was being bad. I stole wood. I did all this. Look, now I'm in handcuffs. And now I'm getting taken to jail. I'm under arrest. I'm going to jail for 996 days. This is for checking the TV box. This is a fake. But look, now I'm in handcuffs. Ooh, I'm in handcuffs. Ooh, I'm in handcuffs. Ooh, I'm in handcuffs. Ooh, I'm in handcuffs. Ooh. Please hit like and subscribe for Jack in the TV box. And goodbye, Felicia.